Hey my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about violet eyes, halo eyes, quick eyes, and the products I'm going to use in this video are absolutely new to me. I've already done a video about Ulta haul. It's linked here if you've not watched. Of late I've seen so many influencers, beauty gurus working with violet, and that's why I got intrigued toward violet and I purchased this beauty. This one again is from Juvias Place. It's this mini called Violet. It's like it's any other palette, it is a beauty. It is a must to try. Every product that I'll be using in this video are absolutely new to me. Kind of a mini review, so keep on watching if you're interested. Further ado, let's get started. This is a clean face moisturize, and on this I'm using a peach color concealer from Maybelline called Age Rewind to cancel any darkness, any blemishes, anything on my eyes. Just to have a clean canvas so that any color that I'll use will pop up, right? The colors we are going to use are violets and some of them are pretty light and I'm not certain will they pop up on my medium skin tone or not. I'm just using a brush to settle this concealer all on my eyelid. After I'm happy, I would jump into the palette. Let's start talking about the palette. Palette is in cardboard packaging. It has 6 colors. 2 are matte, which will act as a transition shade and crease shade. The rest 4 are gorgeous shimmer, and the first one I've picked up is a light violet shade. This would act as a transition shade. This I'm patting all over my crease and little over my crease until my brow bone with a fluffy brush. Remember, this would not enter on your eyelid or your brow bone. I will be creating a halo look today with these violet and purple shades. So the outermost corner and the innermost corner, I'm concentrating this color more so that the pigment pays off more there. And the middle part of my lid would be kept clean so that I could put shimmer. I'll take a small fluffy brush. On this I've taken an eggplant color from the same eyeshadow palette and I'm just putting it on my crease line. Using this shade, as I said, I would intensify my crease line and the outermost corner and the innermost corner. Once I'm happy with the things happening on my crease line, I'm using the same big fluffy brush on which I've taken the light violet color. I'm just blending every color well so that there are no harsh lines and everything looks seamless. If I talk about this eggplant color, it is darker. Maybe that's why I found it harder to blend in. Otherwise, I found this palette overall worth for its value. Now on a flat brush, I've taken this shimmer shade. To be honest, shimmer shades are excellent in this palette. You don't need a setting spray. They are so beautiful, buttery and easy to glide. If you notice right now, I'm putting the shimmery shade just on the center of my eyelid where my eyelid is most out. I'm not going anywhere beyond that. Now again on the fluffy brush, I've taken the eggplant color. I'm just intensifying the color both on innermost corner and the outermost corner and between. One thing I remember. Have you subscribed to my channel? It won't take much of your time. If not, kindly take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have done it, thank you so much. It keeps me motivated. The same thing I'm doing on the other eye. I'm just intensifying the innermost and the outermost corner. Once I'm happy, I've taken a clean fluffy brush, blending everything well in so that everything is seamless and beautiful. In next step, we'll tightline our waterline. This is a new eyeliner from NYX called Epic. It is such a beautiful eggplant color. Eyes would start looking like this. I've just tightlined my waterline. But your eyes won't look like this. I have puffy eyes because of the heat in LA where I stayed. Now I've taken a flat brush. I'm just smoking out my lower waterline so that everything looks well put in and once you're done, the eyes would look like this. Now again on a small pencil brush, I've taken the shimmer shade to highlight the innermost corners. Now I'm back again with another product. This is NYX eyebrow pencil. One side is a retractable pencil with which I'll fill my eyebrows near to natural. If you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial, it's just a 50-second video. I'll share the link above. You can go ahead and watch it. And I've shared in that video 2 types of products to fill your eyebrows, whichever you're comfortable. Now, after this, I'm preparing my eyelashes. I'm just curling my eyelashes with an eyelash curler. I'll hold it for about like 5 seconds and then with the mascara, I will coat my eyelashes generously. Always coat your upper and lower eyelashes. Don't skip your lower eyelashes if you're doing a bold makeup. Otherwise, the look looks incomplete. If you're not comfortable to wear false lashes, you can give it a skip, but I've just popped up the false lashes
Now this is a new product from Wet n Wild. This is a primer from them. This is a watery consistency primer I'm using all over my face. This claims that your skin becomes radiant, luminous and beautiful. Let me just spread it across my skin and see whether will my skin look radiant, luminous, beautiful or not. Yes, it is looking. And then I've taken their dewy finish foundation and I'm just using a beauty sponge from Real Technique to blend this foundation or buff this foundation into my skin. This foundation is a natural skin type foundation. If you're looking for something like this, you can go ahead and buy. This is a budget foundation. And if I talk about the combination of two products, this primer and foundation, yes, my skin has become luminous. You can see well on camera. The base is well radiant. My skin is looking radiant. Now again with the same concealer from Age Rewind, I'm working on my under eyes. This is in peach color. I'm blending it into my skin with the beauty blender so that everything looks seamless. Now this is translucent powder from Bye Bye Cosmetic. I'll set my under eyes perfectly so that the whole day my concealer doesn't crease or crack and I look fabulous. Yeah. Now on an angular brush from Smashbox, I've taken a L'Oreal bronzer. This is called Lumi. It has a little bit of radiance in it and I'm working it down from my hairline to 1/4 of my cheek. If you understand, you should not cross 1/4 of your cheek, otherwise your face will suddenly start looking plumper. I'm not a contour person. I love bronzers more than contour products, as I find bronzers make me more sun-kissed and beautiful. Now I've taken a peach color blush from Too Faced and I'll pop it on my cheeks. Whenever you use blush, just don't pop it on apple of the cheeks. Though we say it is for apple of the cheeks, but take it little behind it near to your hairline so that your face look thinner and beautiful. And once you're happy with the blush situation, you have to take a highlighter. I've taken a Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm so sorry, I forgot to show you the picture. I'll insert a picture into the clip and the face will start looking something like this. Here comes the lipstick. This is from Maybelline Ink. Such a gorgeous nude lipstick. If you're looking for something on budget, go try it. Such a comfortable nude lipstick. After this, we'll set everything well in place so that everything doesn't move the whole day. It doesn't look powdery and we are all set.
I hope you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet next, you take care of yourself and bye bye.